Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about left join in SQL tutorial. In this lecture, most probably we are focusing and concentrating on left join. About the joins and the description about what is the joins, how we are going to be constructing SQL statements. For more information regarding joins, check our previous lectures. This lecture designed for only on left join. Now let's see here. Left join, how it is going to be function and how it will gives us a result set in output. Taking as a table A and table B, we are making it is like a left join. We will prepare like a keyword of left join. That's it. And here in between this like a table A and right side of the table I defined like this. Table A, two tables I am going to using to join for the using of the or like a SQL statement. Table A I am written here, it is on the left side of the keyword of left join. And right side one more table it is there, table B. That is the second table. And which is the table is the left side from the statement. It will be treated it is in a left join or left table. And whenever we have written after the statement the table which is considered as a right table. Strongly remember, it's very important. Otherwise you may put into the confusion stage when what is the table, how I am getting the data, which is the left table and which is the right table. We are going to be writing about the statement. On left side it will be treated as a left table, and right side which you are going to be writing it is in a right side table. That's it. Any of the irrespective of the left join, any of the join statement if you are written, the same thing will be applicable. All right. Now you will see here what I'm going to explain you, like same the customers and orders table I'm going to explain you for more details. Right? Let's see here, we will define here one by one. Now select star from customers. Same customers and orders table I'm using, and what it will do the left join majorly, all the records from the left table it will give us an output. This is the important. What is the left join means? Two tables we are going to be considering to making it in a join statement to get a result set irrespective of. Whereas inner join, what it will give us a result set output, matching rows only it will give us a result set. If it is not matched the rows, both the tables, it will be skipped directly. Whereas using in a left join, what it will do, most probably what it will do, left join, and all the records from the left table and what are the matching records from the right table, it will give us an output. Strongly remember, all the table records from the left table and which are the table rows matching from the right table, it will give us an output. If the table is not matching from the left table to right table, that particular column values make it as a null and it will be written completely the result set of the left table complete rows. Strongly remember. Now see here on the statement I am preparing here, customers, name of the table is in a customers, as alias name as I'm taking in a C, customers left join, and orders, the table second one is orders, and as an alias name it is O on C dot customer ID that equal to O dot customer ID, And front end, we can take it as in the parameters like name of the alias name. By typing, we'll get all the data from the table. C dot customer ID and C dot customer name. I'll take it. Okay, no problem. Anything, any column. Based on your result set from the columns of two tables, which column you require, you can choose it. O dot one more column, I'll take it. O dot order. That's it. And in extension of using these statements, like group by, order by, all the things you can use it. There is no limitation. But till now, what are the sessions are completed? Like aggregation functions and group by statements, having limits and order by clauses. All things you can write after where when we are using where clause and all. Where clause also similarly you can use it and apply simultaneously. Right? Now see the result set you will get here. If I executed this statement, you will get a result set like this is the result set. If you have I have a bunch of data, I can check it where it has. And if you have a limited data, you can cross check directly by putting matching of the rows of 4 and one unmatched row you can insert into the tables, and you will get exactly how you are getting as an output. That is in a practical orientation. It's highly required whenever you are executing an SQL statement by preparing and comparing the statements between what are the differences between like a left join to right join. You have to identify clearly what is exactly is going on execution of query statement. Knowing this is what it's going on using left join. From here, you understand it. See, from the customer's complete result set, it will go anyhow. And what are the matching rows from the customers to orders? That rows will comes as an output from the orders ID, orders table. Whereas instead, if not matching from the customers to orders table, that will be make it as a column names as a null values. It will be treated and it will be give as an output and it will shows completely. Hopefully you got an understand about it. Try to practice more and more. You will get a good idea about it. Left join. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.